look like what I've been through. Thank God. Soon leave market. May leave market.
Before we turn to that side, before we went inside our compound, this lady had been outside, which is not good, man.
It's so funny.
Outside. Yeah, well, keeping her outside. We're expecting her to no. You're on our way. Okay, no problem. I'll meet you on my way. Let's meet at around Tantalizer. No, that yeah, you meet around Tantalizer or Ebana or anyone. You know, when you enter the Admiralty route, you can park along the road. Good. I'm not sure what I mean.
Huh? I'm not going to show any inspection.
No, worry. Let us do your own.
Mr. Abraham, so am I going to show any inspection now?
Yes, now I want to show that client.
Show me first now.
I want to show him 3 bedroom. I mean, Lekki. Then after I can come and meet you and show.
So you want to drop me in the house or what?
No, let me drop you at the house.
Because it's too sunny.
Yes.
Mr. Abraham, let's finish it once and for all now. Should we say you have one place to show me in Lekki?
I told you already that I have one of the 1 p.m. appointment.
Hey God.
So,
So I didn't find anything today like this. He's only showed me one house since Mr. Abraham. Just one.
Yes. But unfortunately that one was service apartment. It has everything. So now the search still continues.
Oh my, this sun is crazy. Show me that one in Lekki now. I used to have houses though. Used to have houses. What's going on? Okay, what do you now have inside Lekki now? Aside from the big ones, so the small ones, what do you have? Yeah.
What I have now, I have 2 million, 2.5, and then 1.8.
Is this?
I want to show you the other one. 1.8, yeah, minute flat 1.8, 2 million, 2.5. And Lekki this one.
Hey.
So we're going there.
We're going there now?
We're going there right now. So I'm going to show you.
Let's go there now.
See me here.
Okay. This is one now. This is the same one, like the kitchen is inside there.
Well, this one's more mature than that one now.
Yeah.
You said you know now.
They didn't raise the...
Come and see, maybe they are doing something. You want to push out there. See, they brought something. They want to put shower here.
They want to raise it.
They want to put shower there. Let
Is
me
it
show
a glass?
you. Let me show you.
Something similar, yeah.
That's what they are trying to. They are going to put a shower now.
Oh.
Of course, yes, now. Of course, yes. They are going to put. This is the one that's I said because you see
They will
that.
raise it, or is it the glass?
They don't put glass now. No, glass was here before. We have to take the glass out because it's too close to the.
Yeah.
Okay,
So what are you
glass
doing now?
here.
Are you raising it like?
If anybody that want, if you are buying it or if you are buying it, you can decide to do anything you want. Yeah. But there's a because if you are renting the glass before, yeah, there's a glass we took it out because the glass is what they use to make the mistake. They have to. That's why you see the one on the down floor. Yeah. See where it was before. They punch out one of the pipes. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I can
They
see
punch
what
out.
you're
So
saying.
the only thing that they will press this place and put a stopper to it. You understand?
Oh, they will raise that place.
Yeah, they will raise it now. So that water can not come back. The driver is coming to fix that thing because this is a little bit of they'll fix that thing. You understand?
Yeah.
So they are still working on all this thing. That's the reason why we don't want people to start.
You just need to show me the shower here.
Okay.
And it has the guest
The
bathroom toilet.
And then this is very good. It has a balcony.
That one to have the bathroom.
Yes, now. Oh, they have.
What was here before?
Where?
This building, what was it? Is it like a company?
It's a brand new.
It's a brand new building now. They are not like a it's a brand new building. As they are saying it like this, somebody bought it. So he's had to rent. So it's flat by flat. Okay.
There's cabinet, there's space for gas. It's open kitchen.
Is everything at the same?
You said there's a balcony. Looks dark. Is it my case?
There's no balcony.
Okay, staircase.
Because here now don't another apartment. But it's not. There's going to become police service.
Yeah, guys, I finally found a place after several headaches and outbreaks and stress. I got this place. I love it. It has an open kitchen plan. It is not too big. It has a guest toilet. The space is just cute because I live alone. I mean, I don't need something too big. So let me just show you around. And moving day is finally upon us, guys. I can't wait to start moving right away.
So today we're removing the old laminated floor and reinstalling it in the new place. I can't wait to show you guys the process and how beautiful, or let me say how ugly, the floor of this place was. And no damage was done to the initial tiles. You can see no damage was done. Get your laminated floors now. I told you the floor can be removed
Now restore back.
and reinstalled. That's it. You see? And it's still neat. And here is a laminated floor. We've been using it for 2 years now. Okay. And no damage was done to the tiles. No damage at all. of moving Mr. Sunday's yet to be done with the floor. And I started packing some of my stuff. I started moving stuff in. Yep. So the cleaning ladies came yesterday and they touched up on this. Yeah, they tried, but I'm not satisfied though. I'm not satisfied. Oh. I don't look like what I've been through, thank God. It's been one hell of a day. So when I brought my things here today, the security men were acting like God, so I had to move everything myself, me and Mr. Sunday. Yeah, so tired. That's my hey. 2 years I've not seen you.